Okay, what we're looking at here is the Schneider Entercept power meter used with a Schneider small Magelis touchscreen to make a full power monitoring system. The initial purpose was just to get three-phase amps, and this is the most economical way to do that, and it's a full power monitoring system. The Entercept meter itself is an all-in-one power or true RMS power meter. It has a fused voltage connection, so you connect the A, B, and C there. The brains of the unit, and then 3 clamp-on CTs. So it's great for an existing application where you clamp the CT around the existing conductors without removing them. And just remember to get yellow, red, and black CTs on the same yellow, red, and black power connections, and it all works. It speaks Modbus. You'll notice here I've got mocked up control transformer to give me, I'm getting 225 there. Input takes from 220 to 480. And I've put some current wrapped it around 2 of the CTs to mock up some current into the CTs. The touchscreen that we're going to use is this little Magelis unit and doesn't have a program in it right now. One of the great things about all of the Schneider touchscreens is this USB jump drive connection on the back. Programs with a regular USB port, or you can just stick in the jump drive that has your program on it. And when you cycle power, like say this was a brand new unit, it begins to boot up. Let's see if it's hard to see, make a video camera look at a video, but there you see, I don't know if you can see that. It's asking me, do I want to download this project? And I said yes, and there it's booting up. It's going to download right off the stick the program that's on there. Program is written by Commonwealth Controls, and it'll be on the stick, so you'll have it. Also the software, the Visio Designer software is in trial mode. Will program these little small units. Don't have to buy a license. If you're programming a large unit like a 17-inch unit, you would need to buy a license, but the small ones, they just give you the software. And you see it's coming up now. Once it's complete, it's going to ask me to reboot, and I say yes. And I take out my jump drive because I don't want to just leave it in there. While that's booting up there, let's talk about the connection. It is a 485 Modbus, and that's you'll notice it's a regular RJ45 Ethernet port. So you can take a standard Ethernet cable, cut the ends off, and connect it right up to the Entercept. And right there is where you set your Modbus address. Got this set up as address 1. And there we are. Thinks it's seeing 27 amps 3-phase on there. It's you know, it's mocked up with that wire going through the CTs many more times than once. Go to the main menu that I've set up in there, and you can see individual current and phases. I don't have anything on C phase. You see the voltage, 3-phase voltage looks a little strange. You got 225 on A and B phases, but 0 on C. So the average of that is 148. Power 8 kilowatts, and an energy cumulative kilowatt hour reading that can be reset. On the setup screen, you go here and you say reset the counter. But that's all there is to it. The little screen is about $200, and the Entercept meter itself is about $1,000. And there you have a true RMS system.